The Delft potters developed many different shapes of flower vases. The earliest versions of Delftware flower vases were probably used as a reference for this example, which is marked for Adrianus Kocx, the owner of the Greek A factory from 1686 to 1701. These early flower vases consisted of a fluted tank on a base with two handles. The Greek A factory was perhaps the earliest producer of flower vases, with modestly sized objects that date to 1680. However, factories evolved to produce more extravagant table vases in the form of tureens and baskets. Especially at Greek A factory, these lidded vases evolved into flower holders composed of a number of segments. We try to be forward thinkers. Click here to learn more about our belief in an ever greater mix of the physical and digital world. Also, find out about our ideas for the future and how we are preparing for it, even reaching the art world. Did you enjoy that video? We would appreciate a like. Click here to see more like it, or subscribe to our channel by clicking the circle here. Thank you.